Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to log into your Fifth Third Bank online account. Without any further ado, let's start. First of all, on your desktop, open your preferred web browser. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and then on the search URL, search for 53.com. Once you press enter, that will lead you to the official page of Fifth Third Bank, and after that to login. At the upper right corner of your screen, you will see login option. Click on login and a dialog box will pop up, and there select online banking, and then on the user ID type in your user ID. If you want to save your user ID for the next time you log in, click on save. After that, type in your password. Once you're done with that, click on login, and then you will be logged into your account. Or if you have forgotten your password, but before that, if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Now back to our video. If you have forgotten your password, you can simply recover by clicking on the link that says forgot link. Now in order to recover your password, click on forgot login. That will redirect you to this page, and in here type in your last name, your social security number, your zip code, your account or card number, and then click on next, and then you will be able to recover your password. So this is how you can simply log into your Fifth Third Bank online account. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.